Hello students, I am Dr. Bipin B. Gawande and welcome to video lecture series for engineering graphics. In, we are discussing here the construction of the isometric view, and we are here the in this type of problem the front view and top view is given. Okay, so the first step is to find out the three major dimensions, that is length, width and height. Okay, so we will find out this length, width and height. So now this, since this is front view is given, so in front view the horizontal dimension is length, so this is 75 mm. Okay, so length is equal to 75 mm. Okay, now the another dimension is height. Okay, so this is length and height, so height is equal to 40 mm. So two dimensions we will get from the front view, that is L and H. Now in top view, L and W, so W is equal to 50. Okay, so this is equal to 50 mm. Okay, so the dimensions we are calculated from the two views. Okay, now we will start with the construction. So the basic construction includes, so this is the construction. We have to draw the two we have to draw two perpendicular axes, something like this. Then the include angle is 30 degree, so this is 30 degree here. Okay, so we'll take that one, the angle here and here. Okay, like this. Now this is our origin, and this angle is 30 degree, this angle is equal to 30 degree. Okay, now the height will come along vertical axis. Now where to take the length? So origin is given here and the length is measured in right direction, so we have to take length here in this direction. So length comes here, and so the front view is visible from this side. Now what is the length? It is 75. Okay, so this is 75 here, we will measure 75. Okay, so okay, so this is 75. Okay, so this is 75. Then the width comes here on this axis, length is here, so width comes here. Width is equal to how much? It is 50. So width comes here, this is 50. Okay, height will come here, so height is equal to 40 mm. So height comes here, likewise. Okay, now to complete the three-dimensional box, so from this intersection, vertical height parallel to height. Okay, so likewise here and here. Now from this intersection, parallel to length, likewise here it is parallel to width. Okay, so now we got again two intersections, so from this intersection parallel to length, likewise, and then from here it is parallel to width. Okay, so likewise. Okay, so we have constructed the first initial box, three-dimensional box, using the length, width and height dimensions. Okay, now we'll start with the front view. The foundation box is what? It is of rectangle 15 by 75 length. Okay, 75 length, height is 15, and what is the width? The width we will take from the top view, so it is, if you take the projection of this rectangle, so it is how much? It is 15. Okay, so we'll take 15 here, this is 15 height. Okay, length is equal to how much? It is 75. This is 75 here. Okay, and width is how much? This is 15, this is 50, so this is 50. Okay, so we have taken three dimension. Now complete the box. So from the intersection, so from this intersection it is parallel to length, from this intersection it is parallel to width. Okay, so likewise here, and then from here it is vertical height. Okay, like this. Okay, now No, so in front view, now in front view we get here three rectangles. Okay, so we want here three rectangles. So first, if you take the projection of this first rectangle, so uh, it is on the boundary line, but the middle rectangle is having the cutout. Okay, rectangular cutout 25 by 15. So we'll construct that cutout first. So this is 25. Okay, we have to take here 25 here. So this dimension is 25. So this is 1 2 and this is 25. Okay, then here it is. Okay, we have to take here again 25. It's 25. Okay, so this is 25 and width is equal to 15. So from this intersection inside 15. Okay, so this dimension is 15. We have to take the width is equal to 15. So here, and then complete this rectangle 25 by 15. Okay, okay. Now make it dark. So here, something like this. Okay, like this. Now this one is dark. Here. Okay. Rectangle here, another rectangle is here. So we get here three rectangles. So 1 2 and now here the third one. So the third one comes something like this, and this is inside. It is with the height of 15. Okay, so we have to draw that all the three dimensions. So from here. So this is that cutout. Okay, so this is the cutout here. So one rectangle here, this is second rectangle, and this one is the third rectangle. Okay, this line is not there. Okay, this line is not there. So one rectangle here, second rectangle is because of this. Okay, third rectangle. Okay, in top view it is visible something like this. So this one. Okay, so we will get the isometric view of that surface like this. Okay, now the foundation box is over, so the bottom box is over. Now we'll think about the second one. So this is what, now this is the second surface. Now if you take the projections from this one, okay, if you take the projections from this corner, so it comes up to here only, width of 25 only, and it starts from the left hand, right hand corner. So here, okay, here. So from this at a total height of 40. Okay, now here this is how much, length 20. So this is 20 here. So this is 20. Sorry. So this is 20 and width is how much? It is 25. Okay, this is 25 here. So this is 1 2 and this is 25. Okay, so this is 20 length, this is 20 length, and 25 width. Okay, so it appears as a rectangle. So we'll complete that rectangle here, likewise here. Okay, so this is widthwise line and this is lengthwise line. It is visible in top view, so we'll make this dark. Okay, so this is dark here like this. Okay, okay, this is 20 by 25 rectangle, which is visible as a line here in front view, but in top view it appears as a rectangle. Okay, that one. Now then after that we have this inclined line. In front view it is inclined line, in top view it is rectangle. Okay, so it comes at a length of 40. Okay, so 40 from 60 or 60 from this corner. Okay, so 60, I am taking here 60 on here, it is 60 here. Okay, and then how much it is having the same width 25. Okay, it is having the same width 25. So this is 25 here. Okay, this is 25. Okay. And then it is inclined, so you join this one like this and like this. Okay, so in top view it appears two rectangles. So one rectangle here, another rectangle is here, two rectangles we have drawn. In front view it appears something like this. Okay, so we have to take here a height wise line. So it is, we have to give the third dimension to this. This is height, and from here it goes something like this here. It comes up to here. So the dimensions, it comes up to this line, this, okay, and then this one, okay, like this. So this is the complete isometric view for this problem, where we have first drawn the bottom foundation block of 15 by 75 and width is equal to 50. Okay, in that we have here rectangular cutout, so that rectangular cutout we have drawn here. Okay, after that the second surface is here, so we have taken the projection. It starts from the right hand side corner, okay, having width of 25. So this is 25, this is 20, and then it is inclined. Okay, 60 from here. Okay, this is 60. Okay, so or from this corner it is 60. Okay, so 60 we have taken, it comes up to here only, and in front view it appears something like this. Okay, so this is the isometric view for this given front view and the top view. Okay, so complete the problem, and we will come up with the next problem in the next video. So thank you very much.